bit of advice I'd give to people trying to roll out a measurement program is consistency. Identify early where your measurement gaps are, implement and agree with all your stakeholders, and set very clear and defined guidelines around how you measure to do it consistently to ensure that you actually have a program that gives you actionable insight over time. Quite often we work with customers and they include in their surveys questions about launching new events as geo-clones or additional additions to their event. So, the surveys that we have at Explori, we can quite often help with that. We can test sentiment towards an event brand, we can test feasibility to understand if an event launch can go ahead, and actually get a good sense of actually what customers want from their events and actually what people want to see when they go around and show floors. Really our reports tool, our filters and crosstabs, I find are really a good way to get insight out of your data, to really dig in and sort of cut through the noise and get a really good sense of what makes events tick, understand actually how different aspects of your event really impact on customer experience and customer satisfaction, and then be able to action that from there, export those filters and crosstabs to really understand things like segmenting by your detractors at your event, to get a really clear view of who might not recommend your event and steps you can do to really improve that. Sure, so for nearly everybody, we recommend at least a few consistent questions across the board. Overall satisfaction, understanding satisfaction of your visitors or your customers, the likelihood of return to see if they would come back to your event in the future, Net Promoter Score to measure advocacy amongst your audience, and importance of your events, to understand actually do visitors and exhibitors view your event as a must-have. We do have some other core questions as well. Things like value for time and value for money and return on investment are also some good places to start. Oh, definitely, the idea of having this data, this treasure trove of data, you should share this within your teams as far and wide as they can to help event teams, C-suite, operations, sales, marketing, whoever it is. There is always a good reason to share data with those people, to allow them all to meet their own goals, to really understand how event feedback is being captured, how they can action that, and to ensure that actually everybody is reading from the same song sheets and they're really getting a good sense of how events are performing. So our new customer advisory group has recently launched, where we're looking to actually hear from our customers directly, the people who make these measurement programs happen. But looking to really speak to anybody who has a day-to-day role or an advisory role on deploying Explori surveys, using that data within their company, and we're really looking to hear from as many people as we can to help continue to shape our products and our solutions in a way that suits as many of our users as we possibly can do. Very good question. With AI being so prevalent now, the way of doing more with less and to really get quick and actionable summaries from your data is a job that AI can really help with. And with the AI solutions we have at Explori, be it our AI assistant within our reports to summarize data quickly, here we have our grouping of verbatim coding, where we can quickly understand across lots of different open text responses how people actually think and feel. That's one of the main ways we're looking to shape the use of AI within Explori.